Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering ingredients and tools, then preheat the oven to 175 degrees C so heat is ready when you finish. Once the batter is in your bowl, add the chocolate syrup gradually, reserve about 2 tablespoons for later glaze. You mix 1/2 cup milk and 1 egg into the batter, then fold the syrup in with slow strokes to keep air pockets. Make sure to scrape the bowl. This way flavor is distributed evenly and texture stays tender. Now you continue by checking texture and flavor. Mix until the syrup is fully incorporated, but stop as soon as streaks disappear. Overmixing tightens crumb. If batter seems too thick, add 1 tablespoon milk and fold. If too thin, dust 1 tablespoon flour and fold lightly. Once done, decide on presentation. Pour half the batter, drizzle reserved syrup, then add remaining batter for a marble effect. Make sure to tap the pan gently to remove big air bubbles before baking. You finish by baking for about 25 to 35 minutes. Insert a toothpick near the center. It should come out with some crumbs, not wet batter. Once out, cool the cake 10 minutes in the pan, then transfer to a rack. Warm the reserved syrup slightly and brush as glaze so it soaks in. If the center is soggy, return to oven for 3 to 5 minutes or let the cake cool fully. This helps set the crumb. Make sure to slice after full cooling for clean pieces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.